Hello students, today I will discuss about two more experiments which suggested that DNA is the genetic material. So first we will start with the experiment done by Avery, MacLeod and McCarty. So these scientists, they gave the biochemical characterization of the transforming principle. So the nature of the transforming principle, the transforming factor, was confirmed by Avery, MacLeod and McCarty. So these scientists, they determine the biochemical nature of the transforming principle of Griffith's experiment. In our last experiment, in Griffith's experiment, we have studied that he said there is some transforming principle which led to the transformation of R strain to S strain, but he could not explain this transforming principle. So the nature, the biochemical characterization was done by these scientists. So what they did, they purified the biomolecules, that is the proteins, DNAs and RNAs, from the heat kill S strain. So they purified this, they took out the protein, the DNA and the RNA from the heat kill S strain bacteria, and there they added the digestive enzyme of each to see which one could transform live R cell to S cell. So we will see here these digestive enzymes. What they did, they took the heat kill S strain, then they took the R strain bacteria, and there they added the digestive enzyme protease. So protease will digest the protein, but that time also there was no change. Still the mice, it got transformed from R strain to S strain. That is, in this condition also the mice died even after adding protease, because protease will kill or protease will digest the protein part. Next, they took the heat kill S strain, then the R strain, and there they added the enzyme RNase. So RNase will digest the RNA that is present in the bacteria, but that time also there was no transformation, no change occurred. Still the R strain bacteria was transformed to S strain, and still the mice, it died. But when they took the heat kill S strain, then the R strain, and there they added the enzyme DNase. So the DNase, they digest DNA. It will digest the DNA that is there in the cell, in the bacterial cell. So that time the bacteria, it was unable to transform R strain to S strain. So there, in this condition, the mice, in this condition, it survived, because here they have digested the DNA which was transferring from S strain to R strain, and the R strain, it become virulent. But here when they digest the DNA, that time there is no substance which transform the R strain to S strain. As a result, the mice survived in this condition, in the last condition. So they concluded that this transferring principle is nothing but the DNA. So after the experiment, what they concluded, let's see. Proteins of heat killed S strain is not the genetic material, because we have seen even after adding protease, the mice, it still died. It still transformed the R strain into the S strain, and the mice, it died. Next condition, RNA of heat kill S strain is not the genetic material, because in the second condition also we have seen even after adding RNAs, which digested the RNA, the mice, it still died, because still the R strain was converted to S strain. In the third condition, DNA of heat kill S strain is the genetic material, because the DNA digested with DNAs. So the DNA, we have digested it with DNAs. The DNAs will digest the DNA that is present in the heat kill S strain. And when it was mixed with R strain, the R strain was unable to transform to S strain. So in the third condition, we have seen when DNAs was added, which will digest the DNA of the cell, of the bacterial cell, and there the R strain was not transformed to S strain, and hence the mice, it survived. So they concluded that DNA is the genetic material, but all the biologists was not convinced with this. So further experiment by Hershey and Chase, which we will see in the next part, it removed the remaining doubt about the DNA being the genetic material. So finally the experiment which was done by Hershey and Chase, it removed all the doubts that the DNA is the genetic material.